Mana's taking a video of me, so I would like to say my presentation about my family. Or it takes for like a million times. I love that. Well, James are your family. Oh God, Greg taught me that. But he's my brother. If you would like to meet my elf on the shelf, Santa, you can tell it's Christmas. It is. Oh, take a picture. Oh, so that's Santy, right? Oh, James touches him all the time. Isn't he cute? I love getting pictures of him. We'll see the next picture. Well, it's not going to be a video, but you're going to take a picture of me holding Santy, my elf on the shelf. Well, come on, let's go to my bedroom. Let's see what's going to be Christmas. You look at me. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Oh, now this is my room. And 1:45. We'll take 1 more minute. So it says 1. Okay. So let's get our party out. My presentation I would like to say to you, my family is Mana, Jen, Michael, Mario, and Luigi. Well, more than that. So, I don't know much people, but Jameson is my Mario's cousin. He's my uncle, Jameson. So, well, Uncle Jameson is not going to be here, but he never lets me watch TV. Yes! All right. See ya with me and Sandy. Haha, sorry. Bye-bye. Oh, that was a good video. You liked it?